Yep. We have to provide our own sound effects here with the budget that we have on this show. Thanks for watching Nash Rockett. I'm Rockett. This is my exceedingly adorable sidekick, Jagger, the stowaway pirate. She's adorable. Okay, we are very excited today. We are awaiting a delivery that is going to signal and announce the ascension of the online empire known as Nash Rockett. We are waiting on the package. What the hell? What the hell are you doing? Not that package. What's the matter with you? Show me that again. Okay, don't do that again. Seriously. Wow. Anyway, we are awaiting a delivery. I mean, probably any minute now, we're going to hear a knock on the door. And see, it's almost as if I'm psychic. Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Don't move. I'll be back in a flash. I told you I'd be back in a flash. What? Didn't believe me? Movie magic. This, Mr. Producer, is the package that we've been waiting on for a week. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. The official Nash Rockett Online Store is open for business. I kind of enjoy creating my own sound effects. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Oh, it's just some more crappity crap online crappity crap. And you know what? You're right. But it won't be the first time you bought some online crappity crap. And I know it won't be the last time. So, get it out, baby. So we have a bunch of different t-shirts. I'll put the link below so you can see what we have. And of course, this is just our first little tranche of merchandise, or merch as they call it. We've got your basic shirt, right? And then we have the pocket logo shirt with a very groovy Nash Rockett saying on the back, "This is my favorite. It ain't enough to be good when you dream of being great." And then there's some other t-shirts there. But how do you get through the morning without? Look at that. Your fine morning cup of coffee. Your fine morning cup of joe. Jagger has her t-shirt ordered. We had a special order for her. So, you know, I've been doing this. I started the YouTube channel about 5 years ago when I first got to Nashville. And I did one episode, and it was featuring an absolutely adorable singer-songwriter / screenwriter. She has written a bunch of movies too that are on the Hallmark Channel. I'm sure you've seen her movies. Her name is Riley Weston. I call her Riley Joe because, well, I just want to. and I did a little YouTube feature on her. And then I got sick, and it took me about 3 years to get all sorted and recovered and that sort of thing. And so we're now back at it. Last year, I kind of creeped back into it, but I did a podcast, and then it just didn't quite scratch the itch that I was having for this. And so I decided to get back to the YouTube channel. I kind of went, oh, I have a YouTube channel. Let's do that. So that's how it started. About 2 months ago, I said, okay, I'm just going to start do a few episodes and see what I want to do and how I want to present it and that sort of thing. See if I can actually make a living on YouTube. And one of the ways we make a living on YouTube is through merch. Again, I'll leave a link at the bottom. And then I realized that what I want to do is teach people how to shoot beautiful photography and edit. I want to teach people how to reverse their diabetes, their type 2 diabetes. I have done that. Sure have. And number 3, I want to help people and encourage and inspire perhaps a few people to define a dream and live it out. I've had a full life, and I know something about pursuing dreams. And so that's what the Nash Rockett channel is all about. So I appreciate immensely your support. I appreciate you subscribing to the YouTube channel. You will notice from this point on that it'll start to get a little more focused, and I'm excited about it, and I really appreciate you being a part of it. Your comments are welcome. Obviously, like, comment, share, subscribe, and merch. We'll see you in a couple days with the next episode. Yeah, Nash Rockett just up in here killing it. If you need photos, it doesn't matter what they're for, whether it's beauty photography, weddings, events, just holler.